How to withdraw money from sweatcoin. Welcome guys to another video. Let's learn how to withdraw money from sweatcoin. First step is to open our sweatcoin application. Tap on the balance icon on the top right corner of our screen. We will now be able to see our current earnings and balance. Next step is to click on the store icon at the navigation menu on the bottom of the screen. When we get to the store, we can see various digital products available on the sweatcoin app. Keep in mind that this application provides different offers and items which you can purchase with your sweatcoins. What we want is to scroll down and search for digital products like these gift cards right here. Take a look at them and see which one is worth buying. The good part about these gift cards is that you can buy them with your sweatcoins or sell them or use them to make purchases on Amazon. If you want to get cool gift cards, I recommend you check the application a couple times a day. Another cool thing is that you can search for physical products which are very popular and you can get a big discount. Sweatcoin provides lots of products every day. You just need to check your app often. Also, Sweatcoin has options that allow you to walk in crypto. You can access it from the home page. This allows us to make crypto by walking. You will have your personal wallet for Sweatcoin. And you can also withdraw that cryptocurrency and convert it to local currency or buy other cryptocurrency. So guys, that is essentially how you can withdraw money from sweatcoin. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.